everyone, welcome back to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to unblock someone on Messenger. To do that, open the Messenger application first. Now once you're at the Messenger application, to unblock someone, you need to know their profile name. Basically, if you want to unblock someone on Facebook, you can just tap on the profile of yours and then go to account setting. Then tap on blocking. Here you will have those person that you have blocked on your Facebook, but you will not be able to see the person that you have blocked on Messenger. For that, you will particularly need to remember their username or the Facebook name. Then you tap on the search bar and tap upon that person's profile. Right after you do that, you will have the option of unblock and report. Here you can see, you just tap on unblock, and there you can see the option of unblock on Messenger. If you have tapped block on Facebook, you might be able to unblock them from the previous setting. But as this is just for Messenger, you tap on the minus icon, unblock this user, tap on unblock. Now this person is no longer blocked and you will be able to text each other, call each other. So this is how you can unblock someone on Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you.